ki pulit kami gelia ki balai tre shitom ban rat ding khong yo drog sa ka jingkra ka bakhat ar kunta ka balai tre lang ha padeng ki pulit ka east and hills bat ka east ka sales kilo yo ban kurup hadu rius pa nyup riu gram u drugs ringkat bat u heroin ka bala jan kot siklur tingka ha ka por sau siteng men stem haringkat bo drugs ki arngot kinong khi drugs na shillong ki la sakem ru ha ki pulit bat ki pulit ki brang kti ha ni ka jingkra ki don hadu lai pun ringut ki pulit yathu DGP ke celau Dr. Lajaram Bisnoy hading jing to kit ki arngut basakem ki pulit ki layo ban kembyang saya saungut ki harangkat patlai spa tli ki nitras depan tablet ubadai psychotropic drugs ha ka ji kran bat kilat thai khubor u DGP lakuntu ek nong song snong bakin long ki ba adkar bat ban pentip se ki pulit habdon kano kano ka chingtep ha ka bai de bak ka chingkhai drugs.
This joint operation was conducted by DSP branch from PHQ, the East Khasi Hill districts and the East Jaintia Hill districts. The operation was led by the SP East Khasi Hill district Jagpal Dhanawa as well as his additional DSP. So this operation continued for about 12 hours continuously. We got the input that one bus was supposed to come from Manipur, and then next bus from Silchar. It will start in the night times from Silchar to Guwahati, and the two prominent drug traffickers of Shillong, they will board the bus from Silchar to Guwahati, and they will carry a large consignment of the contraband drugs. That was the input. That was the only input available. The bus number, the bus details were not available. So the SP East Khasi Hill districts put multiple naka at several places, and then we zeroed down on the bus. After that, at about 4:30 a.m. in the morning, one naka party led by the DSP, additional SP Banra Plang Jarwar of the East Khasi Hill districts, East Jaintia Hill district, and he succeeded in nabbing two drug traffickers. And from these drug traffickers, from their possession, we have recovered nearly 676 gram of heroin. The market cost of which is nearly 1 crore rupees, because we came to know that in Shillong, the market price in the retail market is nearly 1,500 rupees per gram of heroin. So 760 grams, nearly you can say 80-90 lakh rupees. So this was tested on the spot, and once it is confirmed that it is heroin, then we further followed up on that, and after interrogation of these two drug traffickers, we have arrested 4 more drug traffickers from the different police station, that is a Moriknang police station of the East Khasi Hill districts. So the total recovery in yesterday night operation is the 676 gram of heroin, the 6 mobile phones, 1 number of scooty and 1 number of motorcycles, and 300 tablets of the nitrazepam, that is a psychotropic substances. So this was a very, very good operation, and hopefully our war against the drug will continue, and Meghalaya police is fully committed to eradicate this menace of drug abuse from the state of Meghalaya. Basically, our operations on all the sensitive routes will continue unabated till this problem is eradicated from the states. Through media, I appeal all sections of the society that they should come forward and share any input about the drug abuse in their respective area to police. We will maintain the confidentiality. Their names will never figure out, and we will ensure the prompt and immediate follow-up actions on their input also. We are also working on preparation of one mobile app regarding the drugs. That app perhaps will be ready within 10-15 days. So that app will be, after Google verification, that will be uploaded in the Play Store of the Googles, where any citizens of the states can download it, and there is a provisions of giving an input and informations to police. So hopefully after launch of, we will launch that app ceremoniously within the July itself, And after that, we are expecting that we will get many intelligence input from the public as well. This is a basically appeal from our side to all the citizens that they must come forward and join the war waged by the Meghalaya police against the menace of drug abuse. So this was regarding the yesterday night operation. The operation is still continued. As a matter of policy, we have decided that whoever will do good work from the police or from the intelligence branch, they will be instantly rewarded. So in yesterday night operation, total 36 police personnel took part, and all 36 personnel will get the DGP's commendation certificate today itself. And other than that, due case reward will also be given to them. So this is regarding the yesterday's night operations. All of them are from Meghalaya only. All of them are from basically Shillong, Mawlai area of Shillong. They have been indulging in the drug trafficking for quite some times. And you know, half-gram heroin is good enough to make a person drug addict. So generally 150 milligram is taken as first dose, and if any youth take 3 doses, he will become drug addicts. So 676 gram recovery mean we have saved nearly 1500 youths from the problem of drug abuse. Name we are not disclosing at this point of time because our operation is still continuing, and rest we will share as and when we will get success. See, the most of the kingpins are not operating from the Meghalaya. They are operating from other states, like either from Myanmar or from the Manipur. So until unless we get the peddlers and the middle-level drug traffickers, it is very difficult to reach up to the main kingpin. So if we continue our operation like this, I'm very sure that within short time, some of the big traffickers will be in our net. That's right. This is the not only trans-state, but it is a transnational problem. And production is somewhere else. Transit routes is through some different states, and the destination is somewhere else. So regarding this operation, we have been coordinating through Joint Coordination Committee of the northeastern states, and yesterday's input was shared with other states also. And as and when any inputs come related with other states, we have mechanism to share instantly on the chief of the other states also. See, we are acting on very, very specific input on the basis of either human end or on the basis of our technical input, because otherwise randomly it is very difficult to check each and every vehicles flying on the national highway, and this will cause gigantic inconvenience to everyone. So to prevent that inconvenience to people, we are acting only on the specific inputs. But as and when any input related with drugs trafficking in any kind of vehicle will come to us, we will take follow-up action immediately. So far, fortunately, I have not received any complaint regarding the involvement of our own police in this drug trafficking. But if any such complaint will come, we will be very tough to deal with those officers who are indulging in any kinds of illegalities. You are right. The NDPS Act case, right at the time of seizure, we require independent witnesses. Fortunately, at the time of seizure, so far, not much problem is there to get independent witness. But when the witnesses are repeatedly called in the court during the trial, etc., sometimes they face inconvenience. For that also, we will discuss with the Honorable Court how to overcome this problem, because in many European countries, they have introduced TADA for the witnesses also. Whether such steps can be implemented here or not, that's a matter of discussions. So definitely, we would like to discuss with the Honorable Court that how to make it more easy, so that the more and more witnesses should come forward and they should not turn hostile in the court during the trial stage.